Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review of some very inexpensive but yet heavy duty knee pads. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright, I don't know about you, but for me, anytime I'm working around the house, the yard, something, anything I need to get down on my knees, I always seem to forget to get my knee pads, and I'm always trying to find out where they are. I've got some green ones and I've got some different ones that have different straps on them, and none of them really seem to work well for me. They wear out. I was like, the last pair I had, I'm not sure where I got them, but they had rubber stretchy straps that had notches on them, and they worked for a while. I think if you look back at my videos where I'm working on my fence, you can see that I'm wearing those. But the thing is, the straps, so they were rubber, like big fat rubber bands, but they were only like maybe 3/4 inch thick wide, and so I could feel them cutting into the back of my legs there, and it was, you know, making a little raw, sore. And I've had some different knee pads, and I've just always had difficulty with them. And so I found this pair, and it looks like these so far seem to be good. I have not actually used them yet. I have tried them on, and this is a very hard protective plastic, and then it's got, like, I don't know, like some rubberized coating in spots of it. And so it's like, if wherever it's at on the ground, it gives you good quality traction, grip. And then on here on the inside, let me pull the strap open. On the inside, it's really heavily padded, and then of course it's like some type of heavy vinyl covering over the padding. One thing I liked about these is it had a bigger strap for keeping it attached to your leg, and the top one is elastic, and then the bottom one is not so much. So the bottom one's more of securing, and then the top one's where you get your flex. So anyway, let me go ahead and put one of these on and see if these actually say they are right or left. I don't think they do, but generally what I do is I have it so that the attachments are on the outside. That way they're not binding if you're walking and they don't get caught on each other. So we'll put this on the outside. So this one we'll say is the right. So I'll put that there. And again, so this will stretch around and then snap on like so. Okay. And then the bottom, we'll just reach around and then fit snug on there. So now you can see that is very comfortable, and I don't feel it binding into the back at all. That strap is plenty wide enough that it is very comfortable, and you know, I could literally walk, even run with these on, and then when I kneel down, it's like boom, it's there. I don't feel like I need to be repositioning it, like it's not going to be scooting down on me as I'm walking or as I'm working. So let me go ahead and put this other one on. Okay. So these snaps are actually a little bigger than the hole, but you can kind of put it in there at an angle and then it'll fit in there. So there we have it. And again, they feel very, very comfortable, so I can walk, and it doesn't hinder my ability to walk at all. And I can just immediately come down on them, and yeah, they're very nice. And I tell you, it seems like the older I've gotten, the more I need knee pads when I am working on anything on the ground, because as you know, as you age, you get these aches and pains. And I've actually had a point to where, I think it was when I was working on my deck on the shed, I was not wearing knee pads because they were giving me problems. And I think I actually injured my knee to where the nerve that comes across there, it got inflamed. And so now there's a certain spot on my knee where you can touch it. I feel a burning over here on the side of my leg. And so I know I've had that before, and I just need to heal up and then I'll be fine. But tell you, these knee pads, it's like I can come down on the knee with these pads on and I'm not feeling that at all. But without it, I tell you, I definitely feel it. So anyway, if you want a good pair of knee pads, I'll put the link down below. Pick these up off of Temu. So if you have any questions, please comment. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell for upcoming notifications. And until next time.